Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a Microsoft Edge user, you might already have it, but there is a update that was released yesterday, late in the day of October the 10th, 2022. It's still running out today. It is bug fixes only, so there's no security updates in here. If you go to the Edge browser, upper right corner, three dots, go into Help and Feedback and into About Microsoft Edge, you will be moved to 106.0.1370.42. So this is the second bug fixing and performance issue update in about a week. So it seems that this version is being tweaked for little bugs here and there that people are complaining about. We usually don't see that many bug fixing updates for Edge, so must be something going on in here, that's for sure. The blog post that was issued on the website doesn't really mention much what the fixes are all about. So if you had some issues with the latest version of Edge, well, maybe you can check it out and see if that fixes your problems. If you are a Edge user, of course, this technically the updates always perform themselves automatically, or should be up to date automatically. But especially in the cases of security updates, always kind of interesting to go and just make sure that they're up there. So here, there's no security updates. If you're not an Edge user, you can just ignore it, and it doesn't really matter much. You'll probably not have any problems because you're not using it. I always say that Edge, even if you don't use it, is better to be up to date when there's security flaws, because security is a major issue. But in this case, just bug fixes, so no problem there. Of course, any other updates, we'll talk about it. We're always very, very up to date in what's up to date. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.